If you want to change the class of service in a pre-booked flight, what command do you have to give for that?
SB, then class of service, then element number.
Right? How can we change the old flight and rebook to a new flight?
First of all, we have to delete the entry of the old flight and then we have to enter the new details in order to book a new flight.
Right? Can we cancel a old flight and rebook to a new flight with a single command?
No.
Right? If you want to change both class and date in the pre-booked flight, what command do you have to give for that?
SB, transaction code, then class of service, and then date, and then element number.
Right? If we have to change the SSR element, what command do we have to give for that?
Element number, then oblique, hyphen, and then जो details होंगी वो add करेंगे.
Right. If we have to change the OSI element, what command do we have to give for that?
If you want to change OSI element, then element number, then there's oblique, then airline code, and then there's a space, then new information.
Right? If we have to change the journal remark, what command do we have to give for that?
Element number, then there is a oblique, then new information.
Right? Can the SSR element be changed in PNR?
No.
Right? What to do if the SSR element is to be changed?
First of all, we have to delete the previous entry, means the old entry, then we have to enter the new information.
Right. If you want to change the date in a pre-booked flight, what command do you have to give for that?
SB, transaction code, then date, then element number.
Right. If the name of the passenger is to be changed in the PNR, what command will have to be given for that?
NU, transaction code 1, and after that oblique, and then surname, then first name, slash, then first name, then salutation.
Right. If the information in an optional PNR element is entered incorrectly, how can you change it?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
If the information in an optional PNR element is entered incorrectly, how can you change it?
If it is entered incorrectly, then how can you change it? The transaction code XC, then element number.
Wrong. If we want to delete an unwanted element from PNR, what command do we have to give for that?
Transaction code XC, then element number.
Right. If we want to change only the name of the passenger in PNR, then what command do we have to give for that?